Hello kids, today we learn ABC. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bear, C for cat, C for cake, D for dog, D for doll, E for elephant, E for eye, F for fish, F for fly, G for grapes, G for goat, H for horse, H for hen, I for ice cream, I for insect, J for jug, J for jackal, K for kite, K for key, L for lion, L for lamb, M for monkey, M for milk, N for nest, N for notebook, O for orange, O for owl, P for peacock, P for parrot, Q for queen, Q for quill, R for rose, R for red, S for swan, S for star, T for telephone, T for tent, U for umbrella, U for uniform, V for van, V for vulture, W for watch, W for walrus, X for xylophone, X for X-ray, Y for yacht, Y for yak, Z for zebra, Z for zero,